how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily turn off the professional mode on Facebook. First thing you have to do is go to Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into the device where you want to turn off your professional mode. So I've already logged into my account. Go to your profile at the top right corner. And then here you'll find the option for professional dashboard. Head over there. And if you want to turn this one off, you need to turn off professional account. Tap on the three dots right beside advertise, and then you'll be taken to the profile settings. Now right here you'll find the turn professional mode off option. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you should be able to turn off professional mode without any problem. Tap on continue. You'll see what happens and what will change if you turn it off. And if you're sure, just tap on turn off, and now your professional mode is turned off. If I go back and refresh my page, as you can see, there is no longer the option to simply go to professional dashboard, which means I have successfully turned off the professional mode. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.